Hello everyone and good morning. My name is Pragati Mishra and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. You know what? I'm recording this video at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. The weather is pleasant and beautiful. The place where I'm recording this video is my Porsche area. It is even though it is not a big space, but I'm surrounded by lots of plants here in the pots. It makes the greenery around me makes my morning even more beautiful, and I believe it is a good place to start my today's morning. So, have you noticed in this paragraph which I used, I didn't use difficult word. I used whatever I already know. So, my dear friends, the same challenge is for you also. You have to also speak for about at least 30 seconds about any topic. Pick up a name or an object around you and speak about at least 30 seconds about that object. Or you can explain anything like I had explained. Okay, so this is for you. You have to speak for 30 seconds about anything which you want, which is around you or which you want to explain in English. Okay, I used lots of simple words. If you ever notice in my any of video, I don't use a lot of hard vocab because my memory power is very weak. Yes. So my dear friends, I will tell you one thing without stopping. You have to speak for 30 to 40 seconds, or you can say 30 seconds only, for about any object or what you want to explain without stopping. Okay, so this is for today's challenge. So my dear friends, many of us who is English learner believes that grammar should be perfect. There should be lots of vocabs, but you know what? This is myth. The first step is start speaking. Yes, after speaking, you will realize our mistakes and then adjust ourselves according to that. Okay, because mistakes are the proof that we are learning and we have to improve from our mistakes only. Or you can say mistakes are very helpful to improve our personality, to improve our skill. Anything, if we realize after our mistake, that is big realization and very helpful to upgrade. So for today's challenge, just use your simple translation and don't stuck between the hard translations from Hindi to your English language, because it may create chaos and of course it will take a lot of time. So avoid this. Second thing is, please use the words which you already know, because in 30 seconds, if you are gonna speak for about 30 seconds, it's very less time to speak. So don't use a hard vocab. If you already know, then that's good, but if you don't know, don't worry, use the words which you know. For example, I used plants, greenery, beautiful, peaceful, refreshing. These words we already know. If you know these, then well and good. So use those words which you already know. And the third thing is, speak loud. Whatever you are watching around you, pick any one of object. Okay, for example, that plant, aloe vera, or you can say gate, like this, window, like this. You can pick any of object around you and speak about them. So always try to remember, speaking is good, but picking out your mistake is even more important than speaking. Yes, whatever you are speaking, try to record it and replay it after time when you get comfortable, and try to figure out your tone, your mistakes, your vocabs, and where fumbling a lot. That's it. So, my dear friends, always try to figure out your mistakes yourself, because if you will not figure out yourself your mistakes, then other will figure out it very easily. So, let's stop here and please remember today's challenge and try to complete it also. Just for 30 seconds you have to speak. So, this was for today's video. Keep speaking, keep moving forward, and let's stop here. Have a wonderful day ahead. I want to show you a beautiful flower. This one. If you know this name, please write in comment section. Otherwise, don't worry. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.